Hey everybody, it's BienNguyen with Fathom Realty, and I am here with some tips and tricks to sell your home quickly. Now today I wanted to talk about the due diligence period. Normally that is a time period that buyers think about, right? And if you have your home right now and you are getting ready to sell it, you probably went through a due diligence period yourself. And that time period is when buyers can review the home, have a home inspection, sometimes a termite inspection, and it allows them to pull out of the contract for any reason. They could have just changed their minds without pull out of the contract and get their earnest money deposit back, as long as they do it within the deadline. Now, for a seller, that can delay the process. That means that the home is off the market, so to speak, and you can't take any action until that time period is done. Now, I've had sellers say, well, I don't even want to worry about it. I don't want to give them that time period. And I want to share that you really can't get away from it. Even if you have a cash buyer, they're going to want some sort of due diligence period to review the home and be able to pull out if they change their minds. Now, there are ways, however, to minimize the risk that can come with that. So those risks could be negotiating a shorter time period, accepting backup offers. But if you are considering selling your home, I'd love to have a conversation with you on my services and how I can help. No pressure, just results. So my contact information is below. Let's talk soon.